Hello guys, welcome to my lab. In this video I will show you how to measure the impedance, inductance, power factor and Q factor of an inductive coil, and I am using this transformer as an inductive load. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. Supply voltage of the primary coil is 230 volt and output voltage is 12 volt and 1.5 ampere output load current, and we will test it without any load. The red wires are the terminals of the primary coil of the transformer and the blue wires are the terminals of the secondary coil of the transformer. Now we have to measure the input voltage of the transformer primary coil as per this circuit diagram and set the multimeter to the AC voltage range, and you can see the input voltage of the transformer primary coil is 214.8 volt. We have to measure the input current, so first of all remove the connection and connect the transformer with the multimeter as ammeter as shown in figure. As you can see, the multimeter will be used as ammeter, and one terminal of the multimeter is connected with the coil and another terminal of the multimeter and coil will be connected with the supply. And change the probe of the multimeter as ammeter connection and AC current source, and you can see the supply current is 16 milliampere. Now you can see we have already measured the input voltage and input current, and from this we can calculate the impedance of the coil, and that is 13.425 kilo ohm. Now we have to measure the resistance of the coil as shown in figure. So disconnect the coil from the source and connect the multimeter with the coil as ohm meter, and you can see the resistance of the coil is 395.1 ohm. Now with the help of measured resistance and calculated impedance, we can calculate the inductive reactance easily, and that is 13.419 kilo ohm. To determine the inductance of the coil, we have to measure the frequency of the supply as shown in figure. So change the pointer to the frequency range and measure the frequency, and the frequency is 48.4 Hz. Now from the measured supply frequency and calculated inductive reactance, we can easily find the inductance of the primary coil of the transformer from the equation XL equal to 2 pi FL, and inductance is 44.14 Henry. And from the calculated impedance, inductive reactance and measured resistance, we can easily determine the power factor and Q factor of the coil. The power factor of the coil we determined that 0.03 lag, and the Q factor we found that 33.96. Both of power factor and Q factor are unitless quantity. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.